guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? So today's video is going to be talking about what we're going to be planting in August. The seeds that we're going to be planting in August for Zone 9. And Zone 9 is pretty big. And plus I wanted to show you guys. Look. Look at the corn stalks. And the pumpkins. Oh my goodness gracious, yes. So, there's a lot of seeds that we're going to be planting in August. This place is getting crazy in here. So, okay. And look at what my neighbor gave me. It's a tomato plant. I have the most awesome neighbors. So, this is what we are going to be planting here in Zone 9, okay? I got all of them in my hand, so hang on just a minute. Okay. We've got some carrots. We've got some wax beans. We've got some bush blue lake beans. Yeah, and these are also some bush blue lake beans, but these are just a different brand. Bok Choy, because I love Bok Choy. Pak Choi, which is just a smaller version of bok. Chamomile for some very delicious tea. And I've got lavender growing too for very delicious tea. Celery. Bunching onions, which I am regrowing bunching onions from ones that I bought from the store, and they're still going. I mean, I must have harvested those 4 times already, but I wanted to plant seeds as well. And here's more carrots. These carrots, as well as these carrots. So, those what we're going to be planting in our garden in the next couple of weeks. I might start doing some in pots and then putting the rest in the garden. Because like I said in previous videos, I like to help out the neighbors, my community, and some relatives. So, let's see if we have any progress with some of the pepper seeds that we planted. Looky. Looks like we've got some stuff going. What about over here? Little bits. Nothing in that one yet. Oh. Look at that, see? And that's all because I germinated them for 4 days in the paper towel with spritz with water and a Rubbermaid. So, this is getting exciting. Nothing for the crooknecks yet, but then again, I just planted those yesterday. So, this is just getting exciting. I am so loving this. I love gardening. I really do. My husband really needs to get in there with the weed whacker, but such is life, right? Right, Penelope? Ridley? Oh, and I finally got some more. Yeah, you can't have that. No. Get down, Miss Thing. Some more citronella before the backyard. We have some out front. Keeps the mosquitoes away, but every time we're out back, oh my goodness gracious, do we get bit up alive. So, put some citronella out back as well. And it's doing wonderfully. I just planted it yesterday. Oh, those cucumber plants that I had in pots, we finally put them in the ground. There's one. Say hello, elephant ears. There's another one. Hello. Yes, Penelope, what do you want? And there's another one. And then look at those grapes. Vine, 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 vine. It's looking so awesome over here. It really is. But with what we're trying to do here is, with a lot of our vining plants, like especially with the beans that we're going to be planting, we're going to be planting them along this fence. We just have to get some more chicken wire because I only have enough to plant like one more plant right here. But we're going to be planting, if you can see, I have to get these vines off of the fence here. But that's not a big deal. That's all in a day's work, really. But we're going to be planting all along this fence because we have so many more cucumber plants that have to be planted. We're just going to wait like another 2 weeks because I want them to be at a certain height before I put them in the ground. Then the beans are going in and stuff like that. So we got to make room because over there, there's no room. And what we would like to do is where the garden ends over there, right over there, because of that tree right here, can't really plant anything else on the other side of that tree. So we're going to have to start on this side now and work our way over here. Because we really don't want to come any more further this way from where the garden is here over more, because the dogs are really going to lose their running space, and we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that to them. So, and plus Sean and I, we're known for like our backyard parties. I actually, in a previous video, we had a huge bonfire pit right here, and I dismantled it because I said, when's the next time we're going to be able to actually have a bonfire party? I mean, think about it. With everything that's going on in this crazy world right now. So I dismantled it. But maybe we'll get one of those store-bought ones, you know? But especially in the fall and the wintertime, we love to sit out here with a little fire going and just sit out back and relax. But I really don't want to take up any more space back here. So that's why we're going to focus right back here along where that, see where Ridley is right there? And then come all the way over here. And then use up our fence for the vine plants, the plants that have to vine. And I think that's a really good plan for us, for our yard. I really do. But other than that, that's it. But I just wanted to touch base with you guys, tell you what we're going to be planning for August in Zone 9. So you guys can have some ideas on what to plant in Zone 9. And give you a little bit of update on what's going on in our garden to show you what's new and what our plans are to expand, because we really do have to expand. We've got so much going on. Like, August is literally in 2 weeks. where can I plant these carrots? I've got so much seed. Where can I plant these carrots? The only option is to expand, right? So that's what we're going to do. We have to expand. We don't have any other choice. And not just that, starting in September, we've got like 5 different types of varieties of lettuce that have to be planted. There again, we need to expand. So, this is our option right here. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.